How do you find Shop app discount codes? Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily find the Shop app discount code so you can get some percent off on your orders. For that, open up any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, simply search for Shop app discount codes, and once you search for it inside here, you'll then be able to find different kind of sites that offers Shop app discount codes and coupons. You want to go ahead and check them all out. So once you tap onto it, you'll then be able to find different kind of offers. 15% off on your order and 5% off, that is a promo code. If you would like to use those coupon code, you want to go ahead and tap on show coupon code right over here and then tap on copy. Once you have copied it, you want to visit your Shop app and just like that apply your coupon codes to get some percent off on your order. And just like that, different sites offers you a different promo code. Tap on show my code and then tap on copy to use them. And that is simply how you can get your discount codes on Shop app. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.